How to turn on or turn off SmartThings suggestion notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on connected devices. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on SmartThings. In here, tap on the menu button, then tap on settings at the top. Next, go down and tap on suggestion notifications. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on suggestion notifications for SmartThings. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.